Kia ora koutou, it's Disco Week. Ko Harriet toku ingoa, my name is Harriet.
And morena Te Anau SCHOOL. Ko Ryah ahau, I'm Ryah. Welcome to the morning report for Ryah, the last week of term 2.
Let's get into te kupu or te wiki. This week's word is tāoki, which is te reo Māori for rest.
It also means to stop working and take a break. That's tāoki, as in that's what I'm gonna do in the holidays.
Okay, lunchtime activities. The new schedule is up for Mondays, so listen closely.
Years 4 to 0 have arts and crafts in room 9, and years 4s and 5s have device gaming in room 10. Bring your own device.
There's also outdoor games for years 4 to 6 on the Kindy field, and all the information will be on the whiteboard outside the office at lunchtime too.
The sports shed and bike shed will still be open today, and remember your top values when using and returning sports gear.
Compost and rubbish. Please keep those fruit stickers out of the compost and be a tidy kiwi. Food wrappers back in your lunch boxes or in the bin. Thank you.
Ka pai, health and safety news. High-vis vests. Most people are wearing them to and from school. Please do likewise.
And walking all wheels around the buildings, please, especially before and after school.
Bus students, a friendly reminder about marking yourself off the bus.
Yeah, if you're not on the bus after school, head over to the office and sort it out now, please.
Birthday news. No birthdays at Te Anau SCHOOL today.
But the iPhone turns 19 today. You heard right. It was this day in 2007 that computers and pockets became a thing.
Okay, bike news. A reminder about keeping off the hill area when you are biking so that the plants and grass can survive over winter.
Also, bike stands. Please use them. Show pride and look after your sweet rides, friends.
Disco news. The posters are up this Thursday in the new hall.
Oh yeah. Prizes for best dress and lots of giveaways for anyone busting out some sick dance moves.
Lost property. There are 3 pairs of shoes just sitting over there.
Go have a look if that sounds like you, and let's look after our belongings, please.
Okay, last news for the day. Junior Assembly song. You are linked in the description box below. Ka te popo.
And from everyone here at the Morning Report team, piki aka ki te taumata.